A man who says, "I deny that I have a right to defend my personal life," has thereby denied his right to exist. To be a pacifist argues a lack of conviction, a lack of character. The pacifist is indeed ready enough to claim the help of others, but he declines to defend himself. It is precisely the same with people. A people who is not prepared to protect themselves is a people without character. We must recover for our people, as one of its most elementary principles, the recognition of the fact that a man is truly a man only if he defends and protects himself, that a people deserves that name only if, in case of necessity, it is prepared as a people to enter the lists. That is not militarism, it is self-preservation. Therefore, we National Socialists stand for compulsory military service for every man. If a state is not worth that, then away with it. Then you must not complain if you are enslaved. But if you believe that you must be free, then you must learn to recognize that no one gives you freedom save only your own sword. What our people need is not leaders in parliament, but those who are determined to carry through what they see to be right before God, before the world, and before their own consciences, and to carry that through, if need be, in the teeth of majorities. And if we succeed in raising such leaders from the body of our people, then around them once again a nation will crystallize itself. It is the pride of our movement to be the force which shall awaken the Germany of fighters, which yet shall be.